Hi, it's Tom Bowley here from the Property Centre, and today we're in Acer village located in Whitchurch, and we are at a 4-bedroom semi-detached house. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. The property benefits from a fantastic open plan living, dining, family room. Let's go and check out the garden. If you're interested in viewing this property, or equally if you'd like a valuation of your own home, please feel free to get in contact using the number below. Many thanks.